And the first ball by school side, Jacobo. Down the letter, intercept by Regalado. Jersey number 27, pass to Boltron. Jersey number 28, thinking is smart. Pass, jersey number 8 on the center. Ganda naman nun! That's the basket. My kasama pang foul. Jersey number 27, first personal foul. First team foul. Magandang po sa team Gang Gang. Ay, kakahiya naman. Kita-kita lang eh. Kakahiya naman. Maraming salamat po sa merienda ng committee ngayon. Sponsored by our very own Katawad Bobet Kaliliw. And jump on side, no good. Tapikan. School side, to Abadjano. Good for two by Abadjano. Deadlock all two. Jersey number 28, Boltron. Ang magtitimon, Regalado, puts it up. No good. Rebound by Abadjano. And nakanak. And there's a foul committed by jersey number. From the Mayor, RJ Peralta, none other than Mr. And jersey Guardiano, ang magtitimon. Guardiano down the letter. On the baseline, Regalado, ipinasa sa labas, Boltron. Shot clock down to 10. And Guardiano Dogid. And there's a contact foul, jersey number 7. And jersey number 2, De Guzman to Bonggang-Bonggang-Bonggantilio. Check ka doon, kay Regalado. Atake ang mga taga-Just J. Pass to East Gen, Manapad. With the ball pick, Nogin, Tapikan, mangingibabaw. Bonggantilio. And number 28, Boltron. But there's a motion foul. And jersey number 8, Manapad. Manapad, big trouble. Pass to Guardiano. Shot clock down to 8. Manapad, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by De Guzman. It's two side. And now on the offense position, jersey number 2, De Guzman being harassed by Guardiano. Nakita si jersey number 28. But there's a foul committed by jersey Mr. Bonggantilio. No good. First bite. Nice one.
One hand.
And jersey number 28 to Albania. Albania sa gilid, rekta na kita Guardiano. No good. Tapikan, makikibaba, Regalado using the glass. Easy for you. And Tabina, pass jersey number 2, Jacobo. Jacobo down the letter. Jersey number 2, pressing the ball. Looking for a play. They still make Guardiano. Jersey number 7, kontra Gabina. But there's a foul committed by jersey number Tata Conrado Stanley Regalado. First ball. Magandang gabi po kay Mr. Atis. With isolation, pass jersey number 28 sa gilid. And jersey number Kaliliw. Kay number 27, nagtatangkat. And nice shot, good for two by and jersey number 28, Boltron, to Regalado, rekta, floater, wala. Rebound by jersey number 3, Guardiano. Catch and shoot, nice shot by setting the table. Looking for a friend to number 27. Number 27, being harassed and still by Regalado. Pass to jersey number 28, Boltron kontra Kaliliw. And that's the basket, my kasama pang foul. And of course, no good. Rebound by Albania. But there's first throw, no good on none other than Ante RR. And jersey number 38, Kaliliw dancing on the floor, being harassed by Guardiano. Pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos steal by Guardiano. Nakita Regalado. Sumalaksak. Dos puntos. Jersey number 38. Number 38. Nakita. And Gabina. No good. Tapikan. Mangingibabaw. Albania. Pressing the ball. Looking for a friend. there's a foul committed by jersey number 13. No good. Power rebound by Valenzuela. Nakita jersey number 38, the court general. Aatake. No good. Rebound by El. Pass. And number 21, Tuguanjano. Lucky bounce is good. De Los Santos taking his mark. De Los Santos on the go. Valenzuela with a fake. Check ka doon, idol. And jersey number 9. Pass to Guanjano. Guanjano down the ladder. Still by Gabina. Gabina on the go. And there's a ball committed by... And jersey number... Gabina with a side step. Nakakuha ng foul. Sablay. Magandang gabi po kay Idol Bio Kaliliw. And jersey number 3, Guardiano, ang may tanga ng bola. Taking smart, jersey number 3, Guardiano to Albania sa gilid. Shot clock down to 10, pipilitin, check ka doon. Valenzuela to Galileo connecting. Jersey number 38, down the ladder. Jersey number 38 to Valenzuela, no good. Tapigan, mangibabaw, El Granada. But there's a whistle. And Gabina puts it up. No good. Power rebound by Regalado. Pass to Dimla. Setting the table. Jersey number 21, Albania ang magtitimon. Albania on the go with a crossover. Check ka doon. Steal by Valenzuela. Humahamos. Jersey number 14. Sumalaksak. And foul. Unang pag-ubuslo. Nice one. Tapat. Down the ladder. Looking for a brand. Jersey number 26 puts it up. No good. Rebound by Regalado. Using the glass, wala. And number 26 nakapulot to El Granada. But there's a foul committed by jersey number by El Granada. First ball is good. Second roll. Sabrek. Crossing the midcourt, looking for a friend. Nakita sa gitna, Gabina. Traveling violation. And jersey number 7, Regalado. And intercept by jersey number 14, Valenzuela. Nag-aabang, Albania. Regalado using the glass, wala. Tapigan, mangilibabaw. Navarro, pass to jersey number 38. And number 38, Galileo. 2. Nice shot by Gabina. And jersey number 7. No good. Rebound by jersey number 38, Galileo. Ang magtitimon. Jersey number 38, looking for a friend to Gabina. Traveling violation. Takin mo muna. Doble. And number 21, to El Granada floater. Wala. Ay, violation. Parta mo, sagit lang. No good. And Gabina. Oh, for the recovery, Albania slicing the road to Magkano no good. And jersey number 38, Galileo. Nakita number 14, Valenzuela. No good. And rebound by number 15, jersey number 15, El. Pass to Manapat. Manapat, set the table. Pass to jersey number 10. Nice shot by De Los Santos. And number 24. And jersey number 38, Galileo setting the table. Looking for a friend. Shot clock down to 10. Gabina. Ayun lang. 31, Manapat. To Dimla. Para free. No good. Rebound by Valenzuela. Pass jersey number 20. Number 5, Gabina. Gabina down the ladder, slicing the road to Valenzuela. Oy! And baseball pass, intercept by number 38. Jersey number 38 on the go to... Who's fouled left jersey? No good. Lucky bounce is good. Number 31, Manapat. Ang may tangan ng bola. Looking for a friend to De Los Santos. Jersey number 2. On the baseline, Albania. Shot clock down to 10. De Los Santos. Babanggain. No good. Power rebound by L. Pass number 20. De Los Santos with a big. But there's a foul committed by Jersey. No good again. Rebound by Gabina. Looking for a friend. Pass to jersey number. Gabina for the recovery. Sa kanya pa din. And there's a contact foul. No good. Magandang gabi po kay Paring Erop. No good. Substitution rap. Last 10 seconds. Number 28. Jersey number 28 using the glass. Nice shot by Blanco. And jersey number 28. No good. Power rebound by Abadjan on the leather. Looking for a friend. And out of bounds. And jersey number 9. Nice shot. Good for two by jersey number. Placino. To number 28, Bongadillo Placino. Nice shot, good for two. By
19,000 viewers.
And jersey number. Oy! And Abadjano on the go, number 15, sasalaksak. But there's a foul committed. First throw is good. No good, the rebound by number 9. And jersey number 3, Guardiano, down the ladder, papasok. Nice shot, good for two. Jersey number 28, the rescuer, Mr. Bongadillo. Shot clock down to 10. And Valenzuela, back to Bongadillo. Bongadillo to Placino, jumper is good. Lista mo na, perimeter. Pinsan ni SK Ella. No good. And rebound by jersey number Placino. Ibinasa. Out of bounds. Setting the table. Pass to Boltron. Boltron with a crossover. And Albania. There's a foul committed by man. No good. Alas yun yan.
Burger daw.
Medical. No good. Power rebound. Base assassin. Pass to the rescuer. Jersey number 28. Bongadillo with a side step. No good. Rebound by Albania. Looking for a friend to jersey number 28. The Boltron. Jersey number 28 with a flipping harass. And jersey number 22. Yun lang. Ang ganda na. Ito medyo sa inilabas agad. And Bongadillo, intercept by Guardiano. Attack jersey number 3. Pass to Boltron. Boltron pressing the ball. Duka. Oy, black adon idol. Nabilin eh. Oy, black ulit dun idol. Ayan na si pare kong buo. Mr. Javier on the go. Jersey number 25. Sumalaksak. Mogid. And nice shot by jersey number 18. Pinsan ni SKN na. Na-in-love. Ang pakawala ni Tatakorado, no good. No good. Number 2, Kekob. Setting the table to Gabina. Atake with a side step. Wala. Rebound by El Granada. And jersey number 8, Manapat. Manapat, sumalaksak, using the glass. In table. Looking for a friend to jersey number 38. Ang magtitimon. Pass to jersey number 18. The babyface assassin. Back to jersey number 5. Second shot clock. And tapikan. Gabina. Babuelo. No good. Rebound by El Granada. Oy. Intercept by Calilio. Yun lang. Boltron na napang. Hindi umra yan. May Placino. Take off on the go. And jersey number 8 on the go. Pass to jersey number. Gandang pasahan naman nun. Nice shot by 38. Number 38 down the ladder. To number 18. Fire. No good. Air ball and to El Granada. Looking for a friend. Still by Gabina. Gabina on the go. Jersey number 5. Sinubo. Wala. Tapigan. But there's a contact. Foul. Jersey number. And jersey number 21. Pass to El Granada. No good. Tapigan. Nice shot by Galado. Maganda gabi, paring Erop. And number 38, sa gilid, Jacobo. Pass, jersey number 38, shot clock down to 7, Gabina sa gitna. Tapigan, intercept by jersey number 7. Pass to Manapat. Manapat down the ladder, being harassed by Guzman. 15-second shot clock. And El Granada, nice shot! Good for two by El! Ang magtitimon, pupukol ng tres, no good. Tapigan, mangingibabaw Gabina, to jersey number 18. The baby face asa. Shot clock down to 10. And jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 3. Puts it up. Bang! Guardian. Traveling violation. Sabret. 21, Albanyo with the ball take. Pass to the court general Guardiano. Yun lang. Traveling violation. Maganda. And jersey number 2, Jacobo with the ball take, goes inside Guardiano. Abachano on the baseline. Gets the basket. May kasama ba?
Share nyo ka mo.
No, gigid.
Share ka mo o stop mo na. Titigil ko na, mag-share.
And number 21, jersey number 21 down the ladder. Looking for a friend. Jersey number 21, shot lang down to 10, but there's a traveling violation. On ang yun lang. Hey. And jersey number 3, Guardiano with a floater, wala. Mangingibabaw, Albania. Albania being trouble, intercept by Galileo. Pass to God. And there's a foul committed by. Asa ba si ang ating rescue? Huwag mo na pong gagalawin. Andiyan si A. Si Bong Debbie. Jersey number 3, pushing foul. Galileo, pass to Jacobo, back to Galileo. Galileo on the penetrate. No good. And out of bounds. And jersey number 28, Bongadi. Pass to jersey number 38, Galileo down the ladder, intercept. And jersey number 21, Manapat, umaatake. Nice shot, good for you. 7-20. And jersey number 5, bang! 3 by. And jersey number 9, Albania with a slow-mo, wala. Bola mapupunta kay Galileo. Galileo down the ladder on the goal. And jersey number 28, Bongadillo. Down the ladder. Pass to jersey number. Gabina atake. But there's a foul committed. The Iman. No good. No good. Rebound by Regalado. And jersey number 7, Regalado. Sasalaksak. No good. Rebound by the Iman. Gabina on the go. Jersey number 5. Sumalaksak. Gets the basket. May kasama ng foul. Who's kumpati kung buo? Walang iba kundi si ganap ng alas 10 ng umaga. And jersey number 21 on the baseline. Yun lang, traveling violation. Wait lang. Jersey number 2 ang magtitimon. Jersey number 2 na Guzman to Bongadi. Bongadi sa gilid. Galileo aatake with a floater. Lucky bounce is good. Last. And jersey number 21, Albania. Yung lang, 38. Wala na pong shot clock. Last 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. At dyan po nagwawakas ang ating... And jersey number 38. Oy, Abanchano, ganda naman yun. Nice shot by MJ Marcelo na para bang baby ko ang all-time. And jersey number, intercept, and Guardiano, atake, jersey number 3. Yun lang. And jersey number 3, sa gilid, atake, no good, rebound by, jersey number 8, nakapulot, using the glass. Nakita regalado, sasalaksang, nakita De Los Santos! Nice shot by De Los Santos. Jersey number 28, Bongadil, uy! But there's a ball committed by jersey. First ball
Uy, 100.
is good. Second row.
Yeah.
Nice shot, Sabre. Underneath court, taking smart, jersey number 3 ang magtitimon to Regalado. Regalado, lulusog! But there's a ball. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 28. Number 28, even spinning move. Yun lang sumobra. And fire! Bang! 3! And jersey number 3, set the table to Guardiano. And jersey number 3, fire! No good. Tapikan. Nakukuha ni Bongadillo on jersey number 28. Oy! Sa kanya pa rin yung panaplay. Yun lang, out of bounds. Nice one. The rest. Jersey number 3. Looking for jersey number 8, Manapat. Back to number 3, sa gilid. But there's a contact foul, jersey number... And jersey number 2, iikot. De Los Santos, good for... And jersey number 2, Kekob. Looking for a friend to Garcia. Garcia, iikot. Big drop, shot clock down to 10. And intercept, Guardiano on the go, jersey number 3. Uy, tara. Traveling violation.
Wala, umuwi na.
Well, paring Joar. And jersey number 28, Bongadi. Pass to jersey number 28, back to Bongadillo. Puts it up! No good. Power rebound by jersey number 7, Regalado. Jersey number 7, humahangos. And number 7, to De Los Santos. Nice shot! Good for 2 by the rescuer, Mr. Bongadillo. Jumper, fire, no good. Rebound by De Los Santos. To jersey number 3, Guardiano, the court general. Pass to number 8, easy for 2.
Basta ano lang. 1 to 8.
Ayan, yung wala. And jersey number 18, to jersey number 38, shot clock down to 10. No good. Rebound by... And jersey number 38, the court general, setting the table, puts it up! Bang, bang! 3! Jersey number 3, setting the table, pass to jersey number 8, number 8. Oy, ganda naman yun! Nice shot by jersey number... Kailangan number 28, the rescuer. Pass to the court general. Jersey number 28, and 38, shot clock down to 8. And number 5-7 shot clock. And number 28, Bonggabilio. And jersey number, oy! Good. And jersey number 5, Gabina, oy, tukop! And Isjen, nakita si Potron, jersey number 28. Look, tuyang Granada. There's a foul committed by jersey number by El Granada. No good. Again, happy viewing to the team. Nice one. Sobrang assassin. Setting the table. Pass to Gabina. Gabina lulusob. Uy. Ken Padilla. Paring. Robert Padilla. And jersey number 3, Guanjano. Taking his mark. Setting the table. Being harassed by Abadjano. Oy. Jersey number 3. On the go. But there's a contact. Foul jersey. First throw. No good. Asa ba sinabi Rosario? Sleeping beauty. Ano na? Sleeping beauty. Oy! But there's a foul committed by jersey number. Nice one. Second throw. Nice one again. Tala. And jersey number 2. And 5. Ang lang. Red ball, young ball. And jersey number 7. Regalado puts it up. No good. Power rebound by jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 on the go. Negusman. Uy, Gabina, isinubo. Dos puntos. Babasa na. Number 21 to number 9, lulusob. No good. Sa kanya pa rin. And Isjen. Uy! But there's a foul committed by jersey number.
Kambal mo yan.
Nice one. No good. And jersey number 9. No good. Rebound by Abadjano. Pass to jersey number 2. And jersey number 2 down the ladder. Number 2, the Guzman. To Bonggabilio. Back to the Guzman. Bonggabilio shot clock down to 12. And Abadjano. Oh, block. And Abadjano. And who's foul grab? Jersey number. Sa gilid, Kaliliw with a step back. Bonggabilio. Pass to number 2, the Guzman. The Guzman. But there's a foul committed by... No good. Nice one. And jersey number. Second row. Rebound by Abadjano. And jersey number 7. Number 2. And Bonggabilio 5. No good. Abadjano. No good again. Rebound by El Granada. Brother, Potron. Center table. Jersey number 28. To number 8. Shot clock down to 10. 5. No good. Rebound by Paul. Nice one by the rescuer. Nice one again. And number 21. Jersey number 21. Pass to Boltron. Pull up jumper. Second wala. The rescuer looking for a friend. And number 18, 5. Nugget. Rebound by L to jersey number 21. Number 21. No good. And Bocadillo. Pass to jersey number 18. And number 18 to Abadjano. No good. Rebound by L. Looking for a friend. Pass to jersey number 8 to Boltron. Boltron on the goal. Pass to number 8. Nice shot. Good for 2. Last 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And your announcer, ang batang leader ng barangay Inaon, Eman de Guzman. And number 28, pass to the court general to Gabina. On the center, but there is the foul committed. And Boyd, no good. Regalado to jersey number 8. Manapat ang magtitimon. Jersey number 8 to Regalado sa gitna to jersey number 8. Pull up jumper, perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by jersey number 2, De Guzman. De Guzman, oy, nakalusot. But there's a foul again, jersey number... Oy, black ka doon. Gabi na ulit. But there's a foul committed by jersey number...
Si ulam naman siguro.
No good.
Hindi naglaro.
Nice one again.
Nebulizer.
And jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 3. And number 3, pull-up jumper. Yes, sir! 3! Down the ladder to the rescuer. Bocadillo. Pass to Galileo. Sa gilid. Atake. No good. And then the Santos. To jersey number 21. Albania. Ang magtitimon. Albania. Yun lang. Intercept by Guardiano. Pass to the court general. Galileo. Easy for 2. And jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 21. Albania. Down the ladder. Pass to jersey number 3. Ang magtitimon. Guardiano. Jersey number 3. Jumper. Abot. Shot clock. And number 28. To jersey number 2. Ang atake. Ganda naman nun. 2 puntos. Anong puntos? And jersey number 7. Number 7. L. To jersey number 2. No good. And jersey number 15. Abadjano being trouble still by number 26. And jersey number 38. Sabrep. Second personal foul. And Guardiano to number 28. Puts it up. No good. Power rebound by... Ganda naman nun. Yun lang. And L. Pass to... And... Taking his mark, jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number. And L. Pebuelo. And jersey number 3, Guardiano. Pass number 26, jumper, too short. And Gabina on the goal. Big trouble sa kanya pa rin. Jersey number 5, Gabina. Ang atake with a left and steal. And jersey number 21. Number 21. And nice shot by L. And jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, taking his mark, and out of bounds, 15. And jersey number 38, number 38 down the ladder. Shot clock down to 10, foul. No good. Gabina gets the basket. May kasama pang foul. Iyon, happy viewing to my tita. And shot clock down to 10. And jersey number 38. Pass to jersey number 2. On the baseline, napasahan. And jersey number 38, Galileo. Galileo, 5-second shot clock. But turns to contact foul jersey number. First attempt. Yun lang. No good. Nice one.
Nagulat. Ang galing, hindi na bigyan. Sayang. Parang si Harry yun ah.
And jersey number, no good. Black. And jersey number 2. Oy, Gabina. And intercept by Albania. Pass to another Albania. To number 8. Toss. Puntos. And jersey number 2. De Guzman setting the table. Jersey number 2, down the ladder, taking his mark. Jersey number 2, shot lang down to 10, fire, no good. And Kalilio nakapulot. Fire! Bang, bang, 3! And jersey number 3, sa gilid. Poltron ay regalado to El Granada. Nice shot! Good for 2 by Ed! And jersey number 2, pass to Gabina. Sa gilid, Galileo puts it up! Bang! And L on the goal, jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 3, ang magtitimoy. Guardiano, 10-second shot clock. And foul jersey number 38 on his. And jersey number 7. Number 7 down the ladder. Looking for a friend to jersey number 9. Pipilitin, wala. Tapikan ng ibabaw. Gabina. And jersey number 5. Pass to the court general. Pressing the ball. Jersey number 38 to jersey number 2. Ang magtitimon. De Guzman, 15-second shot clock. Pass to the Gabina. On the center, intercept by Regalado. And intercept by number 38, Galileo. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 is setting the table. Last 13-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Gabina on the center. No good. Power rebound. Same ball. And jersey number, Black Adon. And jersey number 3, Guardiano, sumalaksak. Yes, sir! On the goal. And 15-second shot clock. And jersey number 15. Yun lang. No good. Steal by the in-man Gavina. No good again. Power rebound by El Granada to jersey number 9. And number 9 pressing the ball to jersey number 8. Looking for a friend to jersey number 3, Guardiano. 10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Fire! No good. Tapikan. Nakukuha ni Valenzuela. To Gabina. Hindi susuko. Jersey number 5. Slice in the road. Pass. Guardiano to jersey number 8. Pass to number 3. Guardiano to Regalado. Regalado ang may hawak ng bola. Binaball pick to Trosohen. And jersey number 38. And number 38 is still by jersey number. And Regalado sumalaksak. And there's a foul committed by jersey number. Meron o wala? No good. Second throw. No good. Rebound by the man Gabina to Galileo. Galileo on the goal to Abadjana. No good. Rebound by Al. To jersey number 8. Number 8 number. And jersey number 9, shot clock down to 15. And jersey number 7, regalado. Yun na. And jersey number 3, pass number 7, jumper, wala. Rebound by El, nakabulog! Nice shot by El! And Abadjano to jersey number 2. Sumalaksak, no good. Tapigan ng ibabaw, jersey number 5 seconds. Was foul rep, jersey number. Was foul rep?